purchasing of EC2 account. Okay, let's see how to do that. CentOS instance on AWS account. Okay, very good. Please log in. Everybody, those who want to purchase their EC2 instance, please log into your AWS account. And if you are there, now in search window, you can type EC2. Just type EC2. Okay. After typing EC2, everybody listen carefully and watch this screen carefully. And if required, you can take the screenshot also if you are lagging and want to configure it later on. So click on that EC2 option, right? Perfect. So we will come on to the dashboard or the screen where we can see the EC2 instances. So you can see at the top, we have instances running 0, auto scaling group 0, dedicated host 0, instances 0. So there are two options by which you can purchase the instances on EC2. So at the bottom, don't click. There is yellow button. Okay, just don't click on that yellow button. A launch instances option is there. So you can click on that and you can launch the instances, or just click on the instances option in the top. Just scroll up, and you can see instances there. Yeah, it's just there. Auto scaling. Yeah, auto scaling instances. Yeah, click there. Yeah. Please click there. And at the top also you can see launch instance. So you had two choices there. From the previous screen, you can click on the launch instances, or you can come on the screen and launch it. Okay, so please click on the launch instances here. Okay, so the first thing they will ask you for some name tags. So name tags are for what purpose? Those name tags are, suppose you purchase 100 instances and you want to identify specific instance or group of instances, then you can tag them with specific name. So in our case right now, we will not tag, but if you want to tag, you can tag. But in your actual project, suppose for certain project, you purchase certain instances, or suppose for web server, you purchase 2 instances. So that way you can follow those name tagging convention and follow those tag for searching those instances. Right now, we will not specify any tag name. It is off. Scroll down. Now coming to the search, there is a search our full catalog for image. So if you open, so we are going to purchase CentOS, and I'm searching for the name of the CentOS here. The name of the CentOS is this. So just search, or you can click on the browse more AMI, Amazon machine image. You come here, right? At the top, there must be some search option. See at the top, there is a search option. Yeah. So I pasted CentOS 7 bracket x86 and 64. Just copy that, put it in the search box. CentOS option, browse more images, and there at the top we are searching. Just hit enter, or just type there marketplace. Click on the marketplace. I can see 36 images are there. At the just below to that search option, there are 3 options: quick start, AMI, my AMI, and
this one, right?
Correct. Click there. There are 36. And you can see, scroll down, you see the second option there, CentOS x86 with update HVM. So select that option. Just scroll down, no problem. I think that is the right option. So you can see here, if you select that option, it says that the charges for that particular image is 0.012 per hour. Okay, these are the charges we need to pay. Just go on overview first. So these are the charges. Yeah, exactly. Then product details, click on the product details. They have given some details about that product. Okay, no problem. Go to the pricing. So here this says 0 or nan hours. I think if we select the T2 micro instant, and if you have opened that account recently, it will not charge anything this, but be careful. Usage, go to the usage. Right now there won't be. This is SSH connectivity thing they are talking about. And click on the support. One more thing I want to see, product details. Just go to the product details tab again. Okay, scroll down. Is there anything option? So generally they provide the user name also here. Click on the usage just one more time. I just want to see whether they specified CentOS user or so the users instruction. The line I wanted to show you people. SSH to connect instance and login as CentOS. So while connecting to this user, everybody listen carefully. While connecting to this instance, you will use this CentOS, and we will be having one key. I will talk about that also. So this is where they specify with user you need to connect to that box. Please click on continue now. Okay. After that, scroll down. So select the instance type. Just scroll up. I just want to show you people what are the. So you can see here there are free tier eligible instances. So keep that option default there. Okay. T3 micro. Scroll down. Yeah.
Anything I have.
Yeah. What?
Do I need to? You said default.
Yeah. After that, click on that create new key. So key pair, you see that create new key pair option on the right hand side.
This one, okay.
Yeah, click there. Everybody, please note down that option, and you have to give the name to that key pair. So without any space, specify some name. So you can specify DevOps September 16, DevOps SCPT. Okay, 16 September, whatever name you want to give. Then RSA option we need to select, and the PAM, that is by default. Okay, and you have to go and create key pair. Just click on the create. So after creating this key pair, it will get downloaded. Okay, you can see there that pop-up appear at the top. Okay, so it will be that key will be downloaded, and remember that key is very important. That PAM file is very important. Please copy or cut paste this and go to this computer, go to your C drive, Everybody please listen these instructions carefully. C drive, go to users. You logged in as which user here right now? First, I think, right?
First.
Go and click there, and I don't see that .ssh folder. So please right click and create new folder .ssh. Hit enter, go inside that .ssh folder and paste that key here. Yeah, put this key. So again, there is nothing. You can keep this key at any place, but remember, if you lose this key, you will lose access to that instance. So please keep this key, that PAM file, at very proper secure location. Don't share it with anyone. If you share it with anyone, probably they may hack your machine and they get access to your remote box. So you have to keep it at right location, and deliberately we are putting it at the .ssh location, because most of the time we are going to use connect to that box using SSH protocol. That's where we created one separate folder. Everybody please create that separate folder under C: user with which you are logging. Go to that folder and create .ssh folder and copy paste that PAM